Today, I'm gonna fix a wobbly leg with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is my dryer, and because of the way my stone floor is, it's not super even. I have this problem with everything from tables to chairs. Just the slightest indentation in the stone will make things wobble, so I picked this up. I'm hoping that this will fix my dryer, but maybe some of the other stuff that I want to stabilize just a little bit more. Now, let's take a look at what we get. So, they're called rubber shims. There are 6 of them in here, and what I want to show you is that they are kind of soft, tougher than silicone, a little softer than rubber. They are definitely little wedges, and they're only maybe 1.5 inches long, but then they have these little grippy texture, so as you kind of wedge them in, they should hold themselves in place. And I think you can use one of these, but if you have really bad wobbles, you could probably use multiples of these, because what I want to show you here is that despite adjusting these legs as much as possible, I actually have a little bit of a gap there. And that means that this sucker wobbles, and because this is actually my dryer, it's always moving. So one of the things I want to do here is just see if I can kind of wedge this sucker underneath here. Lift this up just a little bit so that I can put it under there. So I got one under there, and look at this. No wobble anymore. In fact, I can slide it around. You can see how well that stays in there. But all right, one shim means no more wobble. Hey, if you have a wobbling table, chair, nightstand, I think these shims might be exactly what you need. If fixing that wobble is going to make your life a little better, I think you should pick these up. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.